Round one, fight!
Welcome back, YouTube, and we're at Rolling Loud today in Thailand. Let's go. You know, we've been planning this trip for a long time already. We are so excited. It's gonna be crazy. But first off, let's start off with us at the parking lot walking in. This is the entrance. It's really beautiful. It's called the Legend Siam. It's a really beautiful place. It holds a lot of events. It's a really big place. So before you even get into the concert area, this is like an outer area of the event stage area. They got some food and stuff over here, but you need coupons. And I didn't really spend a lot of time outside. I just wanted to go inside. But, you know, if you want something before you go in, you could stop by at one of these places. I stopped by this place, of course, because I needed to stock up on my medicine. I only smoke nicotine. So this is a big area where you walk in. This place is really big. You gotta walk miles. Here's the security check area. Instantly, the first thing we wanted to do was get the free tattoo, because the time will get stocked up and you might not even get one. The VIPs get free tattoos. This guy was really cool. Such a cool place. Here's the merchandise. This is where you can get all the rapper and Rolling Loud clothing and gear. I ended up buying a few things from this place, a little bit overpriced, but it's really cool. It's got graffiti everywhere. It's got exclusive merch. It's got ASAP bandanas, all this cool stuff. A lot of people just hang out, walk around. There's some big Crocs. There's a lot of like sponsors for this place. There's a lot of cool Rolling Loud stuff. There's a bunch of really good food, Mexican to all around the world, international cuisine. Every stall has different stuff, from kebabs. Man, I really love the kebab, guys. Shout out Jay Park. He actually came out. We got to film him. This was a bar area that had a really cool blue light feeling. We spent a lot of time here. The restroom lines are ridiculous. Day 2.
Fight!
Rolling Loud. There's a lot of places where you can take pics, make little videos. A lot of graffiti everywhere. A lot of cool stuff that light up at night. I don't even know what those are called, but they're cool. Everybody's just like eating and chilling. We don't even like watch all of the concerts. Like, the concerts are just there. Like, they even got a club. Like, people are at the Red Bull Club. They're not even at the concerts. Everybody's just turning up in all these different areas. Here's another bar club area. They're just everywhere. Like, they got Grey Goose. They got all these different club areas. It's pretty cool. You'll walk miles and days. Here's the guy making some falafel, and they got gyros. This is a place that had beanbags on the floor. My feet were killing me because I've had surgery on my feet, so I needed a place to like relax. All those days of jumping around and stuff, I needed to like be healthy for like the real mosh pits. Like walking miles. It's beautiful though. It's a good workout. All these little places where you can hang out. All these little places where you can take pics. You gonna touch my hand right there? Yeah. I'm gonna be dropping more videos of more concert activity. This is just more of what we're doing at Rolling Loud. Everything is still cheap, even at the event. This is us leaving the event. Day 2 over. No thanks. Another PTSD trip. No seat belts.
Crazy.
Yeah, we got it.
Good fly, right? Crazy. You can see like it's a highway.
Man, that traffic, there's a lot of people gonna be trying to scam you on the way out. Do not get scammed. Trust me. So on day 3, here we are entering on the last day. Everybody dressed up. Playboy Cardi didn't show up. Dang. We decided to get coffee.
Thank you. Cheers.
So now we're entering the event. We're still outside. A lot of people showing up. This is the Bunny's Bay Bar. I met this guy, he's a mosh pit organizer. Don't forget to hydrate or you'll black out. Always hydrate after mosh pits. Man, make sure you guys don't lose your stuff. You guys gotta secure your stuff, because that thing is, some people were losing passports. Like, just don't make this event a nightmare. That's my only advice.
So sad. It's on the other side, right?
Gunna is a snitch. I'll never freaking turn up to him ever. A disgrace. A disgrace. Like and subscribe. Good.